Alright, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share my videos. Now, I hopped on a train. Before that, I had to go back home to change the t-shirt I had, which is not relevant. Then after that, I got on a train to Changsha. That is where I was going to get the car. And then when I got there, like, there were a lot of people already. Like, it was a hassle to get out, but managed to get out. Then I got the car. This is the car, Tank 300, which is it's still new. The car only has 27,122 kilometers on it, and it's quite new. So I had to take a video around the car because it's a rental. I always have to make sure that I take a video to see if there are scratches or anything that when I bring back the car, I will not be liable for that. And after I took the car, I had to start my journey. So I literally started the journey on my own at first. Got on the highway, it was open. There was nobody on the way. Because the holiday had not started, so it was free. And actually, here, if it's a holiday, they give the highway for free. You don't pay anything. It was actually a good experience to drive on my own. I always drive on my own, but I'm just saying that it's always good. Then I had to stop on the way to make a bed at the back of the car. The space is quite big, so I have this inflatable bed that I'll show you later. I had to pump it at the back of the car. In the morning, got up in the morning and I can't really access the back because I've put a lot of stuff here. My pillow and the bed itself. It's not looking that clean yet because I've been there overnight already. Time to go. This place has been amazing, but there's nothing much to see here. So I'm gonna continue with the journey anyway. So what? Oh, the back is not closed. It's okay, I'll go and close it. Let's put the music I like. Actually, the back door is heavy because it carries a spare wheel, and it's really heavy. So sometimes you might think the door has closed, but it hasn't. So you have to go back and close it again. Alright, let's continue with the journey. So I'm going to pick my friend, and on the way I was listening to music, and I like to listen to music when I drive, so I don't get bored, and also I don't sleep on the way. And by the way, I had to cut the video. On some parts of the video you can see it's flipping because it was really long. Mind you, this is a day's trip, so I just have to save your time and cut other parts of the video. So I just try to explain in bits and pieces the journey itself. The holiday had not started, like I mentioned before. So the highway was not the highway, even the routes, they were also like open. Not many people were traveling yet. So it was easy for me to move. It was not tiring. There was no traffic jam. And I also made sure that I would avoid. So welcome back. So I made sure I would avoid rush hour. You know, whenever there's a rush hour, I'll park, relax, and try to sleep. Alright, so we gotta put up some positive attitude since we are going on a long journey. Positive attitude is always good if you're going on a long journey. Just being happy for no reason, I think that is good. Alright. But there's also another thing. We might be disadvantaged because the highway is going to be free for everyone and people are not going to work, so obviously there will be millions of people on the road because they're not paying for anything. Imagine me going down there to Lhasa and coming back, right? I would need more than maybe 2,000 just only for the toll gate. So I don't have to pay the toll gate, and I can just drive. The gates will be just wide open, so I can literally just drive down there. You know, which is quite good because paying for the toll gate really is a
Tu penses être mieux là-bas, mais reviens-moi, pardon. Mais reviens-moi, pardon. Les villas, les palaces, la Dolce Vita, jet privé, les plages, ils t'en mettent plein la vie. Mon bébé, méfie-toi des hommes comme ça, malgré tout. Tu t'aimeras jamais comme moi, mon bébé. Méfie-toi des hommes comme ça, malgré tout. Tu t'aimeras jamais comme moi. Yo, yo,
the light seems to be too much. Alright, so most of the times if I'm driving, I normally talk to the camera. If I'm not talking to the camera, I'm talking to myself. So I do have like conversations with myself. I respond to myself and all that. It's actually interesting because I can get ideas out of me by talking to me. But at this point, I was almost close to picking up my friend. I was already tired, and one more thing, I just made sure that as soon as I met him, I gave him the car to drive because I was tired already. And there you can see him driving already. Right, now the journey has officially begun with the two of us.